From Fur Burgers. There you go.
Cole, you have to share that with Sissy. She's mad because she wants that laptop. Can you say please? Can you ask brother please?
Good John.
Say please, Kayla. Can I please see that?
Okay. You want to help Daddy? Hey, Daddy.
She wants a laptop.
It feels like $1 million.
Here's Alfie. Here's.
That tickles.
Oh.